Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome back to your English class. So yesterday we had done use of these and those. Yes? Okay children, today we are going to do copy work of this chapter. For this, take out your English notebook and write down today's date 11 August 2021 and day is Wednesday, WEDNESDAY, and this is your class assignment. As this is your grammar work, so mention GRAMMAR, grammar, WORK, work. Yes? And this is your chapter 6. Name of this chapter is use of these and those. These and those. Okay. Now write down the question. Fill in the blanks using these or those. There are some fill in the blanks. Yes. You have to fill those blanks using these or those. So write down question. FILL, fill in the blanks. BLANKS, blanks. Using USING, using these, THESE, these or those, THOSE, those. Okay, now let's start. Mention number 1. Dash are balls. BALLS, balls. And draw picture of the balls. And you are just very comfortable, yes, to draw these balls because it's too easy. And look children, these balls are near. Yes, these balls are very near. So what we can use? These or those? Tell me what we can use? These or those? Very good. These. Yes. These are balls as they are near. Now next one. Dash are flowers. FLOWERS, flowers. And these are flowers. Oh, they are too far. Yes. Now what we can use? These or those? Yes. Very good. Those. Those are flowers as they are far. And you know very well if they are near and they are many in number, so we can use these. And if they are far and many in number, now we are using those. Yes. Now next is dash are stars. STARS, stars. And yes, here are the stars. Yes, now tell me, they are near or far? Yes, they are far. Of course, we are using those. Those are stars. Yes. Very good. Now come to next. Dash are glasses. GLASSES, glasses. And here are 2 glasses. And yes, they are near. Now what we can use? These, because they are near. Very good. Kids, it's very easy concept. You just have to remember only one thing, that if things are single, yes, or near, now you have to use this, or in case of far, you have to use that. And in case of plural nouns, if things are near, now you have to use these. And if things are far, now you have to use those. Like for example, those dash are clouds. Clouds, C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. And look here. Oh, clouds are too far. So what we can use? Those. Yes. Next is dash are trees. Here are the trees. Yes. Very good. Those are trees. Next is dash are eggs. Yes, here are the eggs. 2 eggs which are near. Very near. Yes. In case of this, we are using these are eggs. Now dash are cups. Here are 3 cups. Near or far? Yes, near. Again we are using these are cups. Yes. These are balls. In case of near. Those are flowers because they are far. Those are stars. Again they are far. These are glasses. Near. Yes, they are near. Those are clouds. They are far. Those are trees. Again they are far. These are eggs. They are near, close to us. These are cups. Again they are close or near to us. Yes. Okay. So that's all for today. And your HA for today is do exercise on page number 30. Yes. In this book, The Maturing Seed, yes, you have to open page number 30. This one. Yes, and this is your homework. You have to again fill the blanks with these or those. Dash are Annie's dolls. Here are the dolls. Dash are big mountains. Here are the mountains. Dash are white clouds. Oh, far. Dash are good dogs. These are dogs. Yes. So like this, you have to fill these blanks with either these or those. Okay, everyone? So bye-bye, everyone.